I got you a gift finally. That's what we need.
Oh yes.
How much? $1.99? Is there a smaller one?
No.
Damn it, so good.
That's the smaller one.
Not charged, not charged. No. So it's called La Coutel. Fuck, help me out.
Coutel.
And the rest is just, that's how we call outdoors. And that's it. Oh, see, that's a hat here for you. Like that guy. Oh, that's it. Fat boy. Fat boy. How much?
Expensive.
This one is 69.
How is that? This one, for example? No, come on.
70. That's pretty steep.
This is maybe okay for this price, 69.
That's behind you, yeah. You can keep it always open in the car or somewhere, you know.
That's a big one.
It's a big one, yes. That's beautiful. I know, bossy. That's the treater. So it's 2 times more expensive. Am I saying that right?
Yep.
Are we talking about 10? So 10 is 70 and 40 is 150. It doesn't make any sense, you know?
60, 10.
Yes. And this is...
That's better price, of course.
Fuck. I know what you mean, like a... Oh shit. So it's just one baton, just one stick.
That's a big one, like
68. I know it's better than nothing, you know? Yes.
So, yeah.
Yes.
Electricity
Yes.
and a straw. That's what you need. That would be like over here.
I got a hint. 43, right? Oh. Oh, look, there is nothing else. What's happening? There is nothing. It's the last one. This is 40 francs. Do you remember how much it was in a military store? Okay. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Le petit guide de création adhésive.
In French.
Yes.
So I better learn it, huh? Oh, removable cutlery. What do you mean by that? What do you mean removable? Ah, right. This is
Not
the one.
removable.
Yes, this is
Amovible. Means it's closed.
removable.
Oh, yes. I don't know why the translation is not very good.
True. I mean, there is no translation, I guess. What is that? What do you think?
It's for sharpening. It's a sharpening.
So smart. It's so lovely to have it for your kid. My first opinel. And then you have this.
Beautiful light.
You tell me. This is very, very heavy, first of all. But I think it's amazing. Amazing price. Oh, Velo. Oh, that's very smart. That's waterproof stuff. Right
Yeah,
here.
that's funny.
100.
Oh, wow.
There's a mecca for gifts here, of course. Oh, Zippo. How much is the Zippo liquid here? Oh, I just wonder. 5?
Yeah, we didn't pay much, right? It was the same price.
From survival to spa, huh? I'm coming.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
nice.
is right.
I know.
How much is sell those things?
Ooh, 216. So they say it's a light therapy, but we both know we would use it also for the colds, right? So, yeah, all this stuff is lovely. This is very, very comfortable to sit on. You'd be surprised to try. Yeah.
Yeah.
All it does is hanging in the air, right?
Levitation.
For 180.
It's a lamp that does.
Ah, it is beautiful. Okay, got it. Give me the phone.
It was this one, I think.
That's the love of your life from last summer. It was, yeah.
This one.
Do they have it? I'll get it for you, and enough.
I'm not sure if it is. 25.
It's such
No,
amazing
that's the
smell.
one that's not here.
I'll find it. Watch me.
Don't have it.
That's what I want actually, the very small and light diffuser that you can carry with you. But it's very small. Oh, if you put it in a nice case, maybe.
It'll be broken in no time. That's one like this, for example.
You think so?
That's a small one.
Really?
It's way easier to carry.
It's a book about like-minded people. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's a filter one. So we do that. Somebody who likes more like Americano coffee. And this is more like traditional style.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful, and you should touch it. I'm very much into that. I love ceramic, but I like it transparent too. So what is this book about? That's amazing. It's very heavy. No. Damn it, god damn it. This could be heaven for feels like in heaven right now and forever. Nice. Okay, we'll see. So, yeah, we'll see. %. Okay. Looks solid, we'll see.